Hey guys, got a new arrival today. Got a 55 Chevrolet 210 4-door. This is an LS swap car, disc brake car. Got brand new wheels and tires, Boyd Coddington wheels. Very slick, good driving car, automatic transmission. All the chrome and stainless is in good shape. Got brand new interior, headliner, door panels, carpet. Got the double console. Interior was just put in 2 weeks ago. Very nice job. It's all leather. And then look under the hood. We got a LS swap 5.3 disc brakes, aluminum radiator, stainless exhaust, stainless headers. Front ends have been rebuilt, got new control arms, tie rods, all the good stuff's been redone on this car. We've got same-day financing. We've got shipping, open and enclosed container or trucks. We ship anywhere in the world. But you need to really check out our same-day financing. We can get you in a car the same day you come looking. If you're looking for a really nice 55 LS swap, disc brake car, brand new everything on this car, it's ready to go. Paint's in about a 9 out of 10. Good solid car underneath, and it will run. Check out the detailing on the interior. It's got a cool double console, aftermarket gauges. It's even got a retro radio, but all the headliner, I mean everything inside this car is brand new. We're gonna take her back, we'll get on her one more time.